One day, in a company event, a professional guest speaker was hired to give a speech on motivation and stress management. The speaker was very interesting, and everyone listened attentively. To wrap up her presentation, she raised up a glass of water and was about to ask a question. Every audience was expecting the typical question: is the glass half empty or half full? Instead, she asked, "How heavy do you think this glass of water is?" Slowly, the audience started to guess. 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce. When many shared their estimates, she answered, "I'm sorry, I do not know the absolute weight of this glass of water, but I have something for you to think about. I am more concerned about how long I have to hold on to this glass of water. If I need to hold on to it for a minute, it doesn't feel like a thing. Hold on to it for an hour, my arm will start to sore. Hold on to it for a full day, my arm will feel immensely numb and paralyzed. In each scenario, the absolute weight of the glass of water has not changed, but the longer I need to hold it, the pain becomes more unbearable." You see, in life, in our lives, the weight of the glass of water is like our stress and worry. If we think about it for a minute, it's okay. Think about it for a bit longer, it starts to hurt. Think about it all day long, we waste the entire day. The longer we cling on to it, the more we feel immobilized. It's important for us to remember to let go of our stress and worry. We've all experienced things that are difficult to let go, and we understand that being able to let go is easier said than done. Rest assured, there's no need to rush to let go when we're not ready. Yet, we have the innate ability to be self-aware of the stress when it begins. When we start to hold on to that glass of water, we have the power to be mindful and recognize that the weight is already upon us. Let's be gentle to ourselves. Have courage to face it a little at a time, facing what we can, when we can, at our own pace. Slowly, practice to accept our circumstances without judgment as good or bad. Have the fortitude to find ways to manage our struggles and worries. Maybe it is through exercise, maybe it is to talk with a friend or professional, or maybe it is to find time to do our own art. When we sharpen our ability to face, accept, and manage our stress, it is up to us when we want to finally let go. That time will come when we have successfully gained the capacity to do so. And that is a superpower we all can train to obtain within ourselves. So, when we know the time is right, we can eventually let go of that glass of water. I hope you like this story empowered by Maniology. Together, let's continue to inspire and empower each other. If you believe this story will benefit a friend, we hope you can share it. Let's make the world, our world, a better place. Have an amazing day.